Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, welcome, and if you guys haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button right there, right in the corner, so you can watch my newest and latest videos that I do just for you guys each and every week. And today I wanted to do a Naomi Smalls makeup look. I'm not saying I look like her, I'm saying I want to do a recreation of her makeup look. I literally am obsessed with what she did for the Boots Challenge in All-Star Season 4. This is one of her makeup looks. I am obsessed with this look. It just gives me, like, you know, Maleficent vibes, just something like a badass villain, like, you know what I'm saying? It just looks sickening, and I just wanted to recreate it for you guys. I wanted to show you guys exactly how I did this look, and if you guys do love this look, give this video a thumbs up because I would so appreciate it. I do want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers that suggested for me to do a Naomi Smalls look, and I'm going to leave her comment somewhere in this video, and she said, please, please, please do a Naomi Smalls makeup tutorial next. Loved the way this came out. She was actually referring to my Valentina makeup look that I did, and I'm going to leave that video in the corner somewhere or down below in the description, so make sure you guys go check that out as well. Yeah, so other than that, you guys, without further ado, let's get straight into this tutorial on how I created this look right here. So let's get to painting, you guys. Okay, so obviously I blocked out my brows and I look like the most liked Instagram picture, the egg. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the Lancome Teint Idol Ultra 24-Hour Makeup Foundation in the shade, well, my shade is 450. And I like to take a stippling brush and I just like to buff that right into my skin. And be careful around your eyebrows since we literally just glued them down. And the worst thing is to have your eyebrows pop up when you're done with your makeup. Now I really look like the egg from Instagram. Come on, you guys, give me the most liked on YouTube. Okay, once we're done with our foundation, we're gonna take the Morphe 15 CON palette, which is like a contouring palette, cream contouring palette. Let's go in with this color right here because I really want a really bright highlight. With me, I just like to use my fingers to blend in my concealer. For some reason, it just gives me a better seamless blend. And I like to put that right on the high points of my face and also on the side of my mouth and like around my nostrils. And we are painting for the stage, so we are literally gonna give you a lot of contrast. So don't be afraid if you think this is too light because this is drag makeup, you guys. Okay, now that we have that blended out, we're going to take our Airspun powder and we're just going to take that Airspun powder and just set that concealer. Be careful around the brows. Then taking MAC Studio Fix Fluid Powder in the shade NC, what is this, the NC40? We're just going to go around the perimeter of our face to set that foundation. Make sure you get that neck as well and those ears. Okay, so now that we're done setting our foundation and our cream highlight, we are gonna go and contour now, and we're gonna take the Wet n Wild's Mega Glow Contouring Palette. We are just going to contour our forehead, define our cheekbones a little bit more. Oh yeah, and we're taking a Real Technique brush, slimming down that jawline a little bit and getting rid of those double chins. And then I'm gonna go onto my highlighting side and go into with my powder brush and just define that cheekbone just a little bit more. See how good that looks? It just chiseled out everything. Made your contour pop. Okay, so now it's just time to contour our nose, and we literally do not want to breathe because Naomi really pinches her nose. So I'm gonna pinch my nose. And I'm just gonna really just go in and make a nice straight line on the sides of my nose and really just define it and create a new shape. I literally want to look like I'm not breathing. And then going back in with our highlighting powder, go right on the sides of our nose And we're just gonna bake that. I don't wanna breathe. I don't know what breathing is. And then Naomi has like a little button nose, so she literally puts like a dot and then kind of goes up. Okay, now we're gonna move on to our highlight, and we're gonna take Yes Diamond Glow Powder from Artist Couture, and we're gonna take our Morphe M501 brush, place that right onto our cheekbone, giving us a nice little glow. Then we're gonna go into our Morphe blush palette, which is the 9B palette, and we're gonna take a Real Technique blush brush and these two colors right here on the palette. A little bit goes a long way with these guys, so be careful. And we really want to give us a nice little blush effect because she was really blushed. Okay, so it might look like a lot of blush right now, you guys, but literally when everything else is together, it's not going to be like that at all. But she also did have a lot of blush on, so we're going to try to mimic what she's doing. Okay, so now that we are pretty much done with our face, we're gonna move on to our smoky eyes. And we are going to take the Morphe 35W palette, which is this palette right here. And we are going to really just smoke out our eyes. And I put a lot of that highlighting powder on, so it's gonna catch all that fallout. So make sure you guys do that as well. So in the palette, we're just gonna take a fluffy brush and this color right here and put that right into our crease. And then going right underneath our lower lash line as well and just blow that color right out. Then we're going to take a flat shader brush and this black color right here on the palette, and we're just going to place that right on our outer and inner corner of our eyelid. of our eyelid. And we're gonna place the same color right on our lash line. Okay, so we're gonna take a pencil brush and we're gonna mix this color and this color in the palette. And we are just going to smoke those harsh lines out and blend out everything. And then going back in with that fluffy brush that you first started out with that orange color, and you're just gonna buff those lines out as well, making sure everything is nicely, flawlessly blended out. As you can see, it's starting to come together. With drag makeup, you literally are not gonna get like the results that you're looking for until you put on your like eyeliner and lashes and mascara. And make sure you blend that top and bottom lower lash line out as well. You want everything to be nice and smoked out. Okay, then we're gonna take our finger and this gray color right here in the palette, and we're just gonna place that right in the center of our eyelid and kind of bringing that up right above the crease as well. Okay, you guys, so if you want to give this look more pizzazz, a little bit more oomph, you can definitely take the Galaxy palette from Fenty Beauty, and we're gonna take this color right here, which is like this grayish color in the palette, and you can just put that right on top of that gray to give it more of a pizzazz. It's gorge. Okay, so next we're gonna take a Morphe black eyeliner and we're just gonna place that right into our waterline to really deepen in those eyes. And you can also tightline your eyes as well. Then going in with a tapered brush, a small little tapered brush, and that black shade in the Morphe palette. And we're just going to set that eyeliner. Okay, you guys, so we're pretty much done with our eyes, and I'm going to just put some eyeliner, some mascara, and some lashes on, and I'm gonna do that off of camera, so I will be right back, you guys. Okay, you guys, so now that we have those lashes on and that eyeliner and some mascara, we're gonna move on to the jewels of this eye look. And I just bought the Kiss Jewel Accents nail stuff that you literally just put on your nails, but I'm gonna put them around my eyes because that's exactly what she had when she came out with that whole look, which stunned me, to be honest with you. This is exactly the reason why I wanted to do this look. So I'm just going to individually place them around my eye, and I'm just going to use some dual adhesive to place them and to make them stay on my face. Okay, you guys, so now that we're done with our eyes, which I am low-key in love with. I love how the diamonds came out, the smokiness of it all. And so now we're gonna go on to our lips, which is probably one of her most signature looks in every look that she does, whether it be no brows or with brows. So we're gonna take a burgundy lip liner. You can take any one. I'm just taking one that I got from the beauty supply store, and we're just gonna line our lips. I'm gonna really overline my lips a lot, so if you guys want to, you guys can, but if this is necessarily, you don't have to, but I am, just to be fun, since we really are going there, so we might as well go there, you know what I'm saying? Whoa, these are some DSLs, darling. Okay, so now that we lined our lips, we're going to take Kylie Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick in the shade Leo. And then just to ombre it out, we're just going to take Tarte Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Birthday Suit. And we're just going to put that right in the middle. And we're pretty much done. I would add gloss, but since I overlined my lips, I don't like the way gloss kind of reflects your natural shape of your lips, so I kind of just like to leave it really matte. I'm just gonna go and add my wig and my look, and I would be right back, you guys. And voila, this is the finished makeup look right here. I hope you guys love this look as much as I do, because honestly, I am obsessed with how this came out. This is my recreation, my rendition of Naomi Smalls when she did the Boots challenge. This is the makeup that she did. I just want to recreate it because I thought it was such a beautiful look that she did. But if you guys do love this look, definitely give this video a thumbs up because I would so appreciate it. And obviously, you guys got to hit the subscribe button right there, right in the corner, so you can watch my newest and latest videos that I do just for you guys each and every week. And hit the notification bell so you can know exactly when I upload something. And speaking about uploads, I usually upload every Wednesday and Saturday, so make sure you guys go check that out. Saturdays, I'm definitely doing my reaction and reviews of Rupaul's Drag Race All Stars 4, and honestly, I've been having so much fun doing those videos, and I do them with my friend Ty. If you guys want to check those videos out, I'm gonna link the last reaction video down below as well in the description, so make sure you guys go check that out. And you guys leave a comment in the comment section on which queen you think I should do next, which makeup look I should recreate. It doesn't have to be from this season, it could be from past seasons of Rupaul's Drag Race, but I just love doing these looks. It just makes me step out of my comfort zone, my box. I just love creativity, and yeah, I'm up for a challenge. I'm not saying I look like these girls, but I definitely am saying it just makes me happy to recreate something so beautiful. Other than that, you guys, remember, it is your vision and it is whatever you make it, as long as you make it freaking fabulous. Until next one, you guys. Mwah.